Best credit cards for beginners in 2025. No annual fee. Building credit is a crucial first step toward financial independence, and selecting the right credit card can help lay a strong foundation. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone just starting your credit journey, choosing a no annual fee credit card offers an affordable, low-risk entry into the world of credit. This guide breaks down the best beginner-friendly credit cards in 2025, focusing on those with no annual fees. Why no annual fee cards are ideal for beginners. No annual fee credit cards are perfect for beginners for several reasons. Low cost. You can keep the card open indefinitely without worrying about a yearly charge. Credit history. Keeping a no annual fee card open for a long time helps build credit history, an important factor in your credit score. Accessible approval. Criteria. Many of these cards are designed for people with limited or no credit history. Good rewards and perks. Despite being beginner-friendly, many offer cashback and other rewards without hidden costs. Top no annual fee. Credit cards for beginners in 2025. 1. Discover it. Student Cashback Best 4. Students looking to build credit with strong cashback rewards. Rewards: 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories, e.g. grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, up to a quarterly max, 1% on all other purchases. Intro offer. Discover matches all the cashback you earn at the end of your first year. FICO Score Access. Free access to your credit score. APR. 0% intro APR for 6 months on purchases, then variable APR applies. Why it's great. Tailored for students, it encourages responsible credit use and offers real cashback potential with no annual fee. 2. Chase Freedom Student Credit Card Best. For students who want a simple, reliable card with steady rewards. Rewards: 1% cash back on all purchases. Intro offer: $50 bonus after your first purchase within the first 3 months. Credit limit increase. Eligible for credit limit increases with good payment history. A PR, variable APR depending on creditworthiness. Why it's great. Easy to use and understand. Encourages responsible use by rewarding consistent payments. 3. Capital One Quicksilver One Student Cash Rewards Credit Card Best. For students who want straightforward, flat-rate rewards. Rewards: unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase. Intro offer: none, but great ongoing rewards. Other perks: automatic credit line reviews after 6 months. APR, variable. Why it's great. Perfect for those who prefer simple, predictable rewards without the need to track categories. 4. Capital One Platinum Credit Card. Best for beginners with limited or no credit history. Not student-specific. Rewards: none. Perks: automatic consideration for a higher credit limit after 6 months of on-time payments. APR, variable. Why it's great. Ideal for first-timers who want to start building credit with a reputable issuer. 5. Petal 2. Cashback No Fees Visa Credit Card. Best for beginners who want modern tools and clear rewards. Rewards: 1% cash back on purchases, up to 1.5% with on-time payments. Extra cash back at select merchants. No fees, no late fees, no foreign transaction fees, no annual fee. Credit building. Reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. APR, variable APR based on creditworthiness. Why it's great. Uses an alternative underwriting process that considers income and banking history, making it easier for those with no credit to qualify. 6. Deserve EDU MasterCard for students. Best for international students or students without an SSN. Rewards: 1% cash back on all purchases. Bonus offer: 1-year Amazon Prime student subscription after spending $500 in the first 3 months. No SSN required, ideal for international students. APR, variable. Why it's great. Designed to help international students in the US build credit easily. 7. Chime Credit Builder Visa Credit Card, best for those who want to build credit with maximum control. Type: secured credit card with no minimum security deposit. Requirements: must have a Chime spending account and qualifying direct deposit. Perks: no annual fee, no interest, no credit check to apply. Why it's great: you can't spend more than what you move into your secured account. Great for learning responsible habits.
Best overall credit card for beginners, Chase Freedom. Unlimited rewards, 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3% on dining and drugstore purchases, and 1.5% on all other purchases. Welcome offer. Earn a $200 bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months. Annual fee, 0 intro. APR, 0% for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. New York Post, plus 6 money under 30, plus 6 Erica Kuhlberg, plus 6 Minky, 3501.blogspot.com, plus 8. The Points Analyst, plus 8. Money under 30, plus 8. This card stands out for its generous reward structure and lack of an annual fee, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to maximize cash back on everyday spending. Fox Business Best Flat Rate. Cashback Card City R. Double Cash Card Rewards. Earn 2% on every purchase, 1% when you buy, and 1% as you pay. Welcome offer. Earn $200 cash back after spending $1,500 in the first 6 months. Annual fee, $0. Additional perks, 5% cash back on select travel bookings through City Travel, SM through 2025 Guy, plus 2 Forbes, plus 2 Lending Tree, plus 9 Forbes, plus 9 The Points Guy, plus 9. Ideal for those who prefer simplicity, this card offers a straightforward cashback program without the need to track rotating categories. The U.S. Sun, plus 4. Sasa Web, plus 4. The Points Guy, plus 4 Best Student Credit Card. Discover it. Student Cashback Rewards, 5% cashback on rotating categories. Each quarter activation required 1% on all other purchases. Annual fee, $0. Intro, APR, 0% for 6 months on purchases. Additional perks, $20 statement credit each school year. Your GPA is 3.0 or higher. The Points Analyst Fang Wallet. Designed specifically for students, this card not only offers competitive cashback, but also rewards academic excellence. Fang Wallet. Best for building credit. Without a credit history pedal, ER. 2. Cashback no fees, Visa, R. Credit card rewards. 1% cashback on eligible purchases right away, up to 1.5% after 12 on-time monthly payments. Annual fee, $0. Additional perks, no foreign transaction fees, reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, Fang Wallet plus 1 Minky, 3501.blogspot.com plus 1, Fang Wallet plus 2, Popsugar plus 2, The Points Analyst plus 2. This card is ideal for those new to credit, as it considers factors beyond credit scores for approval and helps build credit responsibly. Fang Wallet, best for everyday purchases, Capital One, Quicksilver Cash. Rewards, credit card rewards, 1.5% cash back on every purchase. Welcome offer. Earn a one-time $200 cash bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months. Annual fee, $0. Additional perks, no foreign transaction fees, access to CreditWise for credit monitoring, Erica Kuhlberg, plus 6, Sasa Web, plus 6, the U.S. Sun, plus 6, the Money Manual. With its flat rate cashback and no annual fee, this card is a solid choice for those seeking simplicity and value. Minky, 3501.blogspot.com plus 1, Forbes plus 1, best for rotating categories. Discover it cashback rewards, 5% cashback on rotating quarterly categories, activation required, 1% on all other purchases. Annual fee, 0 intro. APR, 0% for 15 months on purchases. Additional perks, cashback match. Discover will match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. New York Post plus 4, The Points Analyst plus 4 Minky, 3501.blogspot.com plus 4. This card is great for those who can maximize the rotating categories and want to benefit from the first year cashback match. The US Sun, plus 3 Fang Wallet, plus 3 Minky, 3501.blogspot.com, plus 3 Best Secured Credit Card Capital. 1 Platinum Secured Credit Card Security Deposit, $49, $99, or $200 refundable deposit based on credit worthiness. Annual fee, $0. Additional perks, access to a higher credit line after making your first 5 monthly payments on time. Reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, Fang Wallet Pop Sugar. This secured card is an excellent starting point for those looking to build or rebuild credit, with the potential to graduate to an unsecured card over time. The Money Manual Best Travel Rewards for Beginners, Bank of America. Travel Rewards Credit Card for Students. Rewards, 1.5 points per $1 spent on all purchases. Annual fee, $0. Additional perks, no foreign transaction fees. Flexible redemption options for travel expenses. New York Post, plus 6. Sayesa Web, plus 6. Money under 30, plus 6. Fang Wallet, tailored for students who travel. This card offers straightforward rewards and no annual fee, making it a great companion for study abroad or travel enthusiasts. Fang Wallet, tips for choosing and using your first credit card. Assess your spending habits. Choose a card that aligns with where you spend the most, be it groceries, dining, or travel. Understand the terms. Familiarize yourself with the card's APR, fees, and reward structures to avoid surprises. Pay on time. Consistently paying your balance on time is crucial for building a positive credit history. Monitor your credit. Utilize tools provided by card issuers to keep track of your credit score and report. Avoid unnecessary debt. Use your credit card for purchases you can afford to pay off in full each month to avoid interest charges.